up? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, I'm Monet, and for those of you that aren't, you know who I am, and thanks for coming back. So in light of the holiday this week, we're gonna film some Valentine's Day looks. So it's gonna be between two different looks. So I'm gonna start off with a very soft kind of Valentine's Day look, something you can do during the day, since we do know that Valentine's Day is on a Wednesday this week, and if you're like me, you'll be working. So I do a look that you can more wear during the day, and then we will transition into how you can turn that look into more of a night, more sultry looking kind of Valentine's Day look. Something you wouldn't necessarily wear in the day. Of course, your job totally depends on what you are able to wear during the day. My job allows me to wear this more dramatic look or whatever I want to do, but of course it might be different for other people or what they're comfortable with. So I thought it'd be cool to go from day to night with a Valentine's Day look. Well, I did want to do this like day to night look, more focused on the eyes, so you won't see me do my face or anything like that. It's just about taking the eyes from kind of more a day look to a night look for Valentine's Day. I will of course leave all the products in the description that I do use on my face. So if you want to see how I go from day to night for Valentine's Day, then just keep watching. Okay, so today we're taking my Carli Bybel Deluxe Edition palette, and I'm just going to start off with this more bone shade so that I can set my base in. I already primed my eyes with concealer, and then I'm taking this lighter pinky kind of shade, and it did seem a little bit too light when I was putting it on, so we're going to go in with this little bit of a darker pinky purpley shade instead and put that all over in the crease. And then I'm taking this pretty like shiny pink shade and just putting that on the inner part of my eye. And then I did want it to be a little more pink, so I'm building it up and then adding that pink highlighter with my fingers. And then just going back with that pinky purpley shade I put in the crease, I'm going back and kind of just cleaning everything up, blending it all in. And then I'm going to take this brown shade just to deepen up the outer crease a little bit. Nothing too crazy since this is the day look. And then I'm going with that pink highlight shade to get even more pink on my lid. And then going back in with that purple shade and kind of just smoking it out on the bottom lash line. And then using my Smashbox Always Sharp liner in brown, I'm just smudging that along the eye as well to add a little bit of definition. Then going back with that pink highlighter, I'm just going to take that on the inner corner of my eye, and that'll just open everything up. Then curling my lashes with my Tarte Lash Curler, and using my Benefit They're Real primer. I'm going to put a couple of coats of that, and then I'm going to take my Lancome Monster Big mascara that I am loving right now. Okay, so even though I'm a little out of view, here I'm just doing my crease trick where I put a little bit of concealer at the bottom of the lid and then look up to see where I should make that more clean cut. I'm just doing it very halfway. Then taking my Stila Magnificent Metals in Grace, I am just going to fill in that area with this really pretty pop of pink. And then I'm going back with that original pinky purple shade, and I'm just going to kind of blend that out together, so kind of deepening it up a little bit, but also just cleaning up any harsh lines. Then I'm going to take this darker plum shade and just deepen it up even further, just taking that on the outer V of the eye and a little bit up into the crease. And then I end up taking a little bit of a matte red shade out of my Jaclyn Hill palette, and just kind of deepening it so that it looks a little more pink. And then taking a black from that palette as well, I am just deepening up that outer V. And I'm taking it against that little stencil sticker I have on there, so I kind of get a smoked out liner effect. And then I'm going to take my NYX Matte Liquid Liner and just add some liner to this look. Sadly, I have a scar next to my eye, and if the liner gets in it, it immediately looks more like a lightning bolt. And then we finish off this look with some Tarte Maneater lashes. Alright guys, so this is at least one of the finished looks considering we built on to the first one. This is definitely the a little bit more dramatic nighttime Valentine's Day look. I hope you liked it, and I hope that you got maybe a little inspiration or anything like that. I am excited for Valentine's Day. I always am. I'm sure I'll be going to dinner or something after I go to work. I guess we'll see. So I do hope you liked it, and if you did like it, please hit that like button, subscribe, hit the bells if you want to see when I upload. We'll be uploading at least 1 to 2 times a week for sure. I've been trying to do that. So definitely hit that if you want to be my fan, my friend. Comment if you want to be my friend. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you're going to do on Valentine's Day. I know it's a Wednesday, so do you have Wednesdays off? Does your boo thing have Wednesdays off? Are you going to be going out that night? Are you waiting till the weekend? Let me know. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time.